What are you doing?
I'm having fun learning on my device. My teacher asked me to practice being a digital leader.
A digital what?
A digital leader.
Oh.
That means showing you care for yourself, others, and your device.
I want to be a digital leader, Bean.
Anyone can be a digital leader, including you, Rainbow Bear. I'll show you how.
Yeah.
The internet is a big but cool place. It helps us connect with people in our neighborhood and all around the world. And just like in our neighborhood, we need to be responsible leaders on our devices too.
That sounds cool.
Right now, I'm on my favorite app, Seesaw.
Ooh, Seesaw.
Oh, that reminds me. We always need to have permission from a grown-up to use our device.
Ooh, I'll go ask.
Oh, don't worry. My grown-up already said Seesaw is safe to use.
Ooh, great. Let's comment on our friend's post.
Yeah. We need to make sure we use kind words and show care for others.
Ooh, tell them the report is so interesting.
Okay. Yippee.
Oh, yeah.
Whew. My body is telling me I've been on the computer for a while. Why don't we go play outside?
Woohoo! I'm going to teach everybody how to be a digital leader.
Remember, be a leader on your device. Be safe, responsible, and nice.